Hi guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my Kawaii world. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the JW Marriott Hotel in Dongdaemun. And if you want to check out my other 5-star hotel reviews, make sure to check out this link here or check the playlist at the end of the video. Before we get started, I just want to say that it's going to sound like I'm complaining a lot in this video, but the only reason that I'm complaining is I'm trying to compare this to other 5-star hotels in Seoul. Normally, I don't stay in 5-star hotels. We usually spend around $200 or less and stay at a 3 or 4-star hotel. So for us, this was really nice, and I'm very thankful that I got to stay in a hotel this nice with my family. But for purposes of, giving an honest opinion and comparing apples to apples, we're not comparing a 5-star hotel to a 3-star hotel. I'm gonna offer a little bit of criticism and feedback, and maybe it'll help you guys if you are choosing between, say, this hotel and the JW Marriott in Gangnam or some other hotel. Yes. What card?
What is it? Sienna, what's the number? 616?
613.
613.
I thought the hospitality here was really good, with the exception of the restaurant, and I'll talk about that later. But the staff was really helpful and courteous. This guy was really nice. He brought all our luggage up and showed us around our room. His English was perfect, and at the end he refused to accept a tip because he said in Korea we don't accept tips.
Oh, it's okay?
Yeah, we don't do tipping in Korea. So.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Please enjoy your stay.
Hey guys, what are you guys doing?
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, the curtain's opening.
This is Didi's desk, okay, Mommy?
Okay.
This is Mommy's desk. Okay?
Okay.
Where's my slippers?
These are my slippers.
Can I have my chocolate?
Oh, that's the
Chocolate? It came with chocolate? Oh, it's all already gone?
Yeah. I'm doing a magnetic.
Let me
I'll
see.
give you something, Daddy.
I can't believe you guys already ate it before I had a chance to do the video.
It smells moldy, so.
Wow, this looks like
Oh, what is
there was chocolate in here, but it's gone.
Mommy wants to eat
Oh, we do have like one of the best views here.
You have this thing?
My friend.
Color
I have to turn this.
Oh, I see.
Oh, this hobbies are so fine.
This is the bathroom. And there's a toilet with no bidet. There's a nice shower. Looks like there's some toiletries. Oh, this shower smells funky. Aromatherapy Associates. Oh, man. The shower smells funky dunky. There's the bathtub. And this comes with some L'Occitane conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. Oh, toiletry. This is, looks like toothbrushes, column, emery board, shave kit, vanity kit, sanitary bag, and shower cap.
Mommy.
There's some kind of controller there. Yes, Valentina. This looks like a hair dryer, and maybe this is a curling iron. And then if you look at me, Valentina, say hi to me. You can see through the other side. We have soap and body lotion. I just want to say that the shower smelled like sewage, and this is something that I would expect maybe in a 2 or 3 star hotel, but not in a 5-star hotel. Also, the toilet did not have a bidet and it did not flush on its own. How dare they not put a self-flushing toilet in this bathroom? And in here is where we have robes. I like how they provided robes for the kids, but the thing about the adult robes was that they smelled like mildew. They smelled like they hadn't been washed. They were so dirty. And the slippers they provided were nice. They were a little bit more sporty than the other typical white hotel slippers. And I also really like how they provided slippers for my kids. Adults are not the only ones who need slippers. And then here we have an espresso maker. We got 2 bottles of water, tea, and this is where they have glasses, coffee and tea. Oh, it doesn't say what kind of Nespresso it is.
Oh, now what is up with that? Oh, it's one of these nice teas. Mine smells soft too.
I'm not gonna let you see what's inside.
How would I know which coffee I'm drinking?
I'm not gonna
Maybe the card was supposed to be in there, but it's missing.
Took it.
not coffee.
Mine bothers.
And then
I've never had this
here's
before in any hotel I've been to.
what, Nespresso?
No, sorry.
So there's the mini bar.
Oh my god, what have I turned into? This is one of the best hotels I've been to.
And then out of our window we have a view of Dongdaemun. We've never even been there. Maybe we should go there. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice hotel room, but it just felt like there are a lot of weird smells going on in here. So in addition to the shower and the moldy bathrobe, the pillows smelled a little bit funky, like old down feathers that had been wet or something. And also the air that was blowing out of the AC smelled a little bit mildewy. It smelled like something needed to be cleaned or changed in there. And also somebody was smoking on this floor, and that smell filtered into our room. And I know that the hotel has no control over this, but it was just kind of annoying for us. They did provide an air purifier after we told them about the smoking smell.
Here.
Oh. Create a little person. What
What
they are.
Snoopy, it looks like Snoopy. Yeah, 613. So there was an executive lounge at this hotel, but kids were not allowed there. So we did not opt for that package. Instead, we got a breakfast package at the breakfast downstairs, which is called Tavolo 24. For all of us, it would have cost us 137,000 won to dine here, but instead it was included as part of our hotel costs. However, I would never pay that much for this breakfast if it wasn't already part of the package deal. The breakfast has a really big spread, and from the outside it looks really nice. The presentation is nice, and it looks like everything would be really good, and I think I would have liked it had I not stayed at 2 other 5-star hotels immediately prior to this, which had much better breakfasts. This place had all the ingredients for a nice breakfast, but it just wasn't executed well. Some of the things that should have been cold were not cold. The salad, for example, was placed in an area that was right next to a really hot oven. So the salad was wilted and the vegetables were not cold. So that was kind of annoying. Also, when I'm dining at breakfast buffets, I always like to check out the fruit selection, and I'm looking for like cherries or dragon fruit or passion fruit, but the fruit they had was pretty basic. Also, I felt like the servers here were kind of rude and dismissive because I was looking for, I think, butter, and the guy just gave me an attitude about not knowing where it was. Yeah. Nola. You like your chocolate muffin? Oh, wow, you got a donut too? So, can I just see the gym in the pool?
Sure. Just looking.
Yeah, just look.
May I ask your number?
Indoor pool access was included, and the indoor pool is gorgeous. This was probably the nicest hotel pool that I've seen in the 5-star hotels that I've stayed in Seoul. And I like how there were chandeliers in the pool. There were these floor-to-ceiling shelves. It was just really well designed and so fancy. And there's also a shallow kids pool in a separate area. So comparing it to the other JW Marriott, the pool felt a lot more luxe. The only thing is that the water temperature was really cold, and I felt like they didn't have enough towels here. You have to go and ask the pool guy for large towels, including for the bathroom, which is kind of inconvenient. I wish they would have just had them laying out there. The benefit to staying in this hotel is that you're right in the Dongdaemun district, so it's great for shopping. But honestly, I prefer to shop at Express Bus Terminal for cheap clothes. I like to come to Dongdaemun to go to the beads market and the toy and stationery market, and for that I think you could just take the train. I think Express Bus Terminal is a much better location for just about everything because you don't have to leave the building. But if you're going to the night market, then maybe you want to stay in the Dongdaemun district just because of the location. But in that case, you might want to get a cheaper hotel because if you're going shopping at the night market, you won't be spending much time at the hotel anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Check out these playlists for more things to do in Seoul, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!